Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Good evening, everyone. It's our pleasure having you all over here. It's a wonderful day, and I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to everyone present here on behalf of Shivaji Rao S. Jondre College of Pharmacy. Today's topic of webinar is lockdown awareness. This webinar is organized in order to broaden your self-awareness in such prospect that should strike our lives in positive manner. So let's start with our today's campaign, which is Lockdown Awareness Campaign. I would like to request our first speaker, Ms. Akshata, to share her valuable thoughts.
Hello everyone. Today I actually wanted to talk on a very important topic, depression. Lockdown has affected mental health of many people leading to depression. What is depression? Depression is our own mindset. Depression is only what we think about our problems. People mainly go through depression when they face failure. But is success only everything? No, it is the matter of this happiness. If we are happy, we are successful. In this world, many people face depression, but what matters is how we overcome our failure, how strong we become from that failure. It is very important to talk with our friends when we are facing depression. At that time only we come to know who are with us. If we go and think is depression is a positive thing, then yes, it's a positive thing, because then only we get to know what real people are with us in this world of fake people. So guys, rather than take it in a negative way, be positive. What do you think? People don't go through depression? Such celebrities and sports person, these people also go through depression. But do they end their life? No. Would they be successful if they would end their life? No. Ending life is not the problem of any solution. Depression is actually the beginning of new life. So what it becomes, it makes us strong. So rather than take it in a negative way, we should take that in a positive way. And we should always and if we face depression with a positive way, we'll always be happy and confident in our life. So friends, depression is a good thing. Don't take it in a positive way. Take it in a positive way, rather than learn from it and be strong. No matter what happens in our life, you always be happy and successful in our life. Thank you so much to listening to me.
Thank you so much, Akshata. It was really helpful. Now, I would like to request our next speaker, Ms. Nitisha Nehra, to start with her presentation.
Good evening to all. Myself Nitisha Nehra from SY Farm. Today, on this eve of on this webinar of lockdown awareness, I would like to share some of my thoughts about this lockdown. Now, all you are thinking that this lockdown is already over and the things are starting to open. So, why this webinar is means why we are attending this webinar? So, first of all, since the lockdown is over, but not the corona. The corona is here on. So we need to focus on this, that we should be aware about the small things. I know that we are aware that about that cleanliness and all things, but as this lockdown is opening, many of us are becoming careless about these things, and this is and and these things are not going to help us in a long way. uh, we know that the vaccines are also discovered in our country as well as in other countries too, but these vaccines are going on the first stage, that is for frontline warriors, and it will take a lot more time to reach to us. Then for that time to come, we need to take precautions, necessary steps to prevent us from this disease. So I have made a small PPT for this. Can anyone share that? Will share this. Thank you. So as we all know that this coronavirus had taken the jobs of many people, and many of the people had become jobless in the past 1 year. So from this, I got to know one thing, that whatever the field in which we are, whether it is pharmacy, whether it is engineering or any other field we are pursuing in, we should be skilled so that in future we should be like that no one can replace us. We that will give us a job security kind of thing. Please, can you go on to the next slide? Darshan Patil. Yeah, yes. So due to the sudden lockdown in our country, people came across to many problems. So from this survey, according to this WHO, around 12.2 crore people lost their jobs, and this is the only official data that we are having. But there are many more, and still many people are not able to fulfill their family daily needs due to no jobs in their hands. And as you all know that due to this, our government has started many schemes like Garib Kalyan Yojana for providing food stuff and all to the people of lower class who are facing so many problems in this lockdown and all. So we should be in a state of mind that yes, we should be skilled in every aspect, that whether any kind of such situation comes in future, we should be means ready for that. Can you go for the next slide? So how can we prepare for it? So first thing is ensure that you have enough money, means making your means we don't need to waste our money on useless things. This lockdown has made us to think on this aspect as well, that money plays very important role in our life. And second one is enough food and water. We should have enough food and water storage at our home. We don't know what will the situation arise tomorrow. So we should have enough food and water as well. And the third one is enough medication, means the common medicine that we are having, like paracetamol, and second one is that Disprin and all. So we don't need to go in such conditions outside our home to buy this. The next slide. So as we all know that these necessary precautions very well from the day the lockdown has announced, but still many of the people are thinking that yes, lockdown is over and we don't need to wear mask and take these precautions. But it will take more than 1 year to get these things normalized. So the first thing is clean your hands, that we all know, but we have to practice it on our regular basis. Then the second one is cough or sneeze in your bent elbow, not on your hands. That is also included in the guidelines given by the government. Then third one is avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. You know well. Then next one is limit social gatherings and time spent in crowded places. Now the local trains are opening, but we have to avoid this gatherings as much as possible. Then avoid close contact with someone who is sick. We can identify by the symptoms that the person is sick or not. So we have to be means in less contact with that person. Next slide. Yes, slogans. Slogan plays a very important role for us to means by using the slogans, our efforts will get a boost of that. Yes, we have to do something. Then the first slogan here is help stop the spread and stay healthy. Second is maintain social distance and protect yourself and others. Together, we can reduce the risk of COVID-19 and follow cleanliness to kill tomorrow's disease, then unite against COVID-19. Thank you.
And
Thank you so much, Nitisha. It was really informative. Now, I would like to end this webinar by thanking each and everyone present here for your great support. Thank you.